Transportation manufacturers from both the U.S. and Canada gathered here in Plattsburgh this past week to talk about the future of the industry and potential partnerships between companies on both sides of the border.
Bienvenue à toutes et à tous. Welcome everybody here.
Hosted by the North Country Chamber of Commerce and its North American Center of Excellence for Transportation Equipment, the summit brought together major transportation and aerospace companies to network and to talk about the growing demand for green technology, including electric vehicles and aircraft. Guest speakers talked about how the region's transportation hub can build on the already strong partnership between New York and Canada, including efforts to address climate change that includes the multi-billion-dollar Hydro-Quebec deal to supply about 20% of New York City's electricity.
As friends and partners, we will combat the climate crisis by investing in clean energy technologies, sustainable mobility, intelligent transportation, and decarbonization in support of energy transition.
In 2023, the trade between Quebec and New York was $12 billion. As our economies become more intertwined, there's going to be even more opportunities, and we have to deepen these ties.
This year included a focus on aviation and new partnerships to help Beta Technologies build electric aircraft in Burlington and Plattsburgh. With the announced closure of Nova Bus in the coming year, Chamber President Gary Douglas says at least one business in Plattsburgh will soon shift its manufacturing from buses to aircraft to support Beta Technologies.
Particularly in the aftermath of the Nova Bus announcement, one of the places that we put great emphasis the last year and will continue to, particularly with our local suppliers who are supplying Nova Bus, is to help them diversify their business. We have one company we can't reference yet, but it'll be announced soon, that was providing their entire operation here was providing Nova Bus. They're now going to start providing Beta Technologies.
Douglas says Plattsburgh had only one manufacturing equipment company following the closure of the Air Force Base in the 90s. He says that number has now grown to 40, which supports about 9,000 jobs in the region.